Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can create a input field in a contact form with a condition. So here is the sample. Suppose if someone select in first question answer is male, then he will see the question 3 am. But there is another rules in here. If selected male or female, whatever it is, in the second question he have to select yes, otherwise the next questions will not show. This is the plan. I hope you understand. I'll create add new form and select new blank form. Oh, by the way, I use Fluent Form plugin from WordPress repository. It is free totally, but if you need more features, then you have to buy it. I click new form. Now I have to create a field. So see, there is a first question we have select your gender. So there only one option to be clicked. So I have to select radio field. We know radio field only one can be chosen. Now question 1, I am copying the title, then edit this field. I put the question. Now I have to put answers here, male and female. Two answers are put. It has to be required. You see, required means no one can leave this question blank. They have to choose one option. Now I have to add another field that should be also radio field, because next question is would you like to date, so they have to choose one of them, cannot choose two of them. Yes or no? Yes or no answers are already in there, so don't have to choose. So it's also required. Now here you can see I will use same input field like radio button, radio input field, because there are only one option to be choose, cannot choose multiple. If select male and yes, so if select male and yes, they will see this question. I write here question 3 and with M, that means M means it's for male. Another radio field, I will edit options, so copy paste everything, copy paste. We have to click this plus button to add more field, then last answers another field to add. That's it. We are going to make it also required. Now I will copy this field because all answers are same, just title will be the different. I made it duplicate, and the female one answers the title with F. You can see what I write there. That's it. Answers are the same, no change required. Now focus on these two fields. So what we want, if select male and second question yes, then we'll show question 3M. So conditions should be in this field. Let's see. Here is the advanced option. You can see conditional logic. You see there, you have to click yes, then select your gender. You see the question 1 we put there, we can see it here. That means question 1 answer if equal, select male, see the answers male. Then add another rule, would you like to date, second question, if is equal, answer is yes, then this field will work, that means show. Here focus on another thing, on this conditional match. There are two type of condition, any and all. Any means if any of them as is true, that means any of them is equal, then it will show. But our plan is we have to contain the all question is to be true, so it should be all. That means all of this rule is true, then it will show. That's it, nothing to do. Then second question is same, we have to go to advanced option, then conditional. So here I don't have to explain again, I know you all are people clever, so select all, then select question 1 equal female, then another, would you like to date, equal yes. That's it. Now save the form. So our form is created already. Now we will see this in the page. We never changed our form name, so let's change it. Conditional form, rename, then save it. We have to reload the page, taking little time. Page loaded, done. Select our form, update. Now we have to check it with font face of the page. This is the page, we put the form name, condition form test. So if select male, there is nothing. If select no, there is nothing. If select yes, see question 3M for the male answers showing. You can select any of them. If no, again hide. If female, no, it will not show anything. If yes, then see question 3 F is working fine. So guys, I hope you understand. You can create multiple and many more conditional field in your contact form with free version of Fluent Form. So guys, thank you. Like and share and comment your question if you have something to ask. If you want to learn something, I will try to show.